All right, here we are. The delicious 5-ingredient Moroccan style chicken curry using this Spice Hack UnHackable. Delicious. Hi, I'm Elisa Brewer, also known as Chef EB, helping you improve your skills so that you can spend more time with your family and less time in the kitchen. On this channel, I help you create simple, quick, and healthful meals, all while staying on your budget. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quick 5-ingredient Moroccan-style chicken curry using this spice from Spice Hack. If that's something you want to see, just keep watching. So we have a 5-ingredient meal. Our 5 ingredients start off with chicken. Then we are going to use some organic rice cauliflower. You can get that from Trader Joe's or anywhere else. They have it everywhere now. We're also using this Go Raw Trek mix, and I have it right here already portioned out. We have a little bit of avocado oil, which is what I'm going to spray right in the pan right now, since it's already heating up. And we're going to use this Trader Joe's Thai-style yellow curry sauce right on in. And the star of the show is the Spice Hack UnHackable. So I actually did a taste test of this and a few other spices. Check it out right here in the cards. And you can actually see what my thoughts are. I'm very excited to try this and give it a little, oh, yep, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, so first things first, I already have this pan on medium heat. You can do medium, medium high, but medium's fine. I've sprayed it with avocado oil, which you've already seen. Now I'm going to add in our chicken. Now you can do chicken tenders, you can do cut up chicken breasts, you can do chicken thighs. It's typical in Middle Eastern cooking that they actually use the dark meat, not the light meat, for a lot of these dishes. So chicken thighs, anything you have, really, it works. So while that is starting to simmer, I'm gonna start with about a teaspoon sprinkle of this UnHackable spice blend. Now, in my taste test video, I actually go through all the ingredients, but man, when I first smelled it, it smelled very Moroccan and it kind of inspired this dish. So we're gonna use that again, but we're gonna start off with just about a teaspoon in there. Now, something different we're gonna do is we're actually going to poach the chicken in the yellow curry sauce. So instead of waiting for this to completely saute, we're going to add in the sauce right now and let it simmer all up in there. There we go. Now I add this sauce and then I add just a little bit of water. So I've already added the jar in there, and then what I like to do is actually take a little bit of water and fill the bottle almost all the way. And we're gonna shake out the rest of those spices. Now, most of the time, water does not bring anything to the party, but considering that we're actually getting the rest of the curry out of the bottle, and we're gonna be enhancing it with the UnHackable Spice Hack, we'll be okay. So what I do is I like to cover that up, make sure the chicken is completely covered, give it a nice little stir. Yes, this camera's not working, but it's okay. All right, make sure that's covered. We add our lid and we bring this to a simmer. Okay, so it has been simmering for about 7 minutes or so. We're just gonna give the chicken a little check to see on the inside if it has gone completely opaque. It's not even breaking. So we're gonna let this simmer a little bit longer. I also have the cauliflower rice. I'm gonna go ahead and you can either do this on the stovetop or you can microwave it. I'm just heating it through and I'm going to actually heat it through with just a tinkly bit of the UnHackable seasoning. I'll give that a stir here in a second. And then now this mix right here is a garnish. And like I said, this is the Go Raw Trek mix. Here we go, Go Raw Trek mix. And it has raw cashews, almonds, walnuts, and hazelnuts. And there is a reason why we're doing them raw, is because when we add them to our mixture, oh yeah, The heat is obviously gonna cook them, and they're going to be infused with that fabulous yellow curry flavor, as well as the UnHackable seasoning flavor. So we're gonna add another, maybe about a half teaspoon. There we go. Half teaspoon added to that. Put that to the side. And now the good thing is with dry spices, you want to put them in towards the beginning or middle of your cooking. That way they have time to rehydrate and bloom, and that's what actually gets them very aromatic. So we're gonna let this stay in there for another about maybe 7 minutes, give or take. And then that should be ready to serve. So it has simmered for about 5 minutes. I did say 7, but 5 was actually pretty good. And as you can see, when I go to pick up the chicken, it breaks pretty easily, which is good because we actually want chunks of chicken. So you should be able to break your chicken apart, double check, make sure that there's no pink. You can also temp it, and it should be 165 Fahrenheit. There you go, see that? Nice and white. And then here is the finished cauliflower rice. And what we're gonna do is to serve this up, I'm actually gonna scoop a little bit of this rice. Here we go. Now, as you can see, this is legit for about 2 people. A nice, filling, delicious meal. And let's go ahead and get a couple of these guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. All right, there are about, I think there were 7 tenders in here, but we're gonna just stick with 3. And then we're gonna make sure we get, oh yeah, the nuts. And I'm gonna try to hunt for some raisins, because those raisins, oh my gosh, they get so plump and juicy and just take on the flavor of the curry and that UnHackable seasoning. And to finish it off, just because I can, I'm gonna hit it one more time with just a little touch of the UnHackable. And there we go. Be sure to check out the links below so that you can pick up the UnHackable seasoning blend online, as well as check out this card right here to see the other ones that I've tried and maybe pick up those too. I'll see you next time.